I've always wanted to make big pieces of furniture on a CNC, and with the machine size that I have now, I've now done a full bench, a chair, and some other fun things, testing out the different accessories and materials that I have. But there's a file that I bought long ago to make on this, and today I'm making it, using some pallet plywood that I bought off the marketplace. This modern nightstand looks awesome, and I'm excited to finally make one for myself. The files came with 3/4 inch versions, just what I needed for the plywood that I have. Cutting them went amazing before I knew it was done, and I realized that I'm really well trained because I used the full bed and cut it out throughout without much traces on the spoil board at all. I'm using the down cut bit for the first time, and it did awesome on the top cuts, but the bottom, as you'll see later, needed some sanding. I think I prefer my usual bit where I had it's a great tops, but better overall results. As with all cuts, you start with the pockets, the holes, and everything that doesn't separate big parts from the rest of the material. Then you cut those out, and this time I'm using tabs, no double-sided tape. With the water-cooled spindle, I'm able to go really fast without causing issues. This machine is pretty awesome now. If you want to see all the upgrades I did, check the videos on my channel. And on my side channel for all things CNC, laser engraving, and 3D printing, the G-Code channel, which I'll leave a link to in the description, as well as links to this awesome machine, the PROVerXL 4030S, that, as you'll see, I upgraded a lot, all from official parts from Genmitsu. With a little vacuuming, I'm now ready for the second sheet, which I'll just use half of, to make a few of the same pieces, the last pieces for this nightstand. It didn't take long to remove all the traces from the tabs, a quick sanding and they're gone. Assembly will be done in 2 stages. There's 2 colors to this table, but fortunately they all make sense for 2 major assemblies, which will help not having a ton of flat parts to paint. Assembly will be done in 2 stages. There's 2 colors to this table, but fortunately they all make sense for 2 major assemblies, which will help not having a ton of flat parts to paint. As you'll see during assembly, I thought I had 2 extras of the black piece, but I was misunderstanding the nightstand and had to paint them separate to add them later. There was no extras. I had it right the first time. The nightstand plans that I got on Etsy come with assembly instructions, but it's pretty easy to get it by yourself. For the black parts, I'm using some good old paint, and for the brown parts, I'm using Veritane's Wood Ager. I got both of those painted, then left them for about an hour to dry before the final assembly. They basically lock into each other, and I left some areas unpainted to glue them up. After this, I gave everything a 600 grit sanding before finishing with a water-based finish, 2 coats of it. The nightstand is pretty awesome. Next time I'll make it out of pine, as I had some cheap pallet wood layers break during assembly and it doesn't look as great as it'll look when I do it with proper wood in pine. Thanks to Genmitsu for sending this stuff over. I'm having a ton of fun and making some great things. Thanks for watching. Please check out my other channel, subscribe for more builds of all sorts, and see you next time.